Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live. Guys, today we'll discuss regarding one topic name how you can create a watch list, new watch list, or update the watch list, or remove how you can remove the watch list in TradingView mobile application as well as the tablet. Right, so we'll discuss the same settings will be applied on Android as well as iOS applications. Okay, so once you open the TradingView application, this is the chart view of the TradingView application. You have to click on the watch list in the below left hand side corner. You can find the watch list option. Once you click on watch list option, you'll come in the watch list section of the TradingView application. So if you want to create a new, first we'll discuss how you can create a new watch list. So for creating a new watch list, you have to switch to the watch list section, right? For moving to the watch list section, you will find three lines, parallel lines on upper right and left hand side corner. You can see there are three dots as well and three lines as well. You have to click on three lines. Once you click on three lines, the loaded watch list you will be getting. Actually these are the my list which I have created the watch list. I have the TradingView Premium, so I have multiple watch list. So you can also, if you want, in free TradingView account, I think it's allowing one or two or maximum three watch list. I'm not sure exactly. You can confirm from your side as well. So let's say if you have zero watch list saved, right? If you want to create a new, so once you click on these three parallel lines, you will come to know, and here you will find a plus symbol above right hand side corner, right? Once you click on this plus symbol, you will ask for the new watch list. You have to suppose, let's say example, you are test1, you are saving this watch list on the name of test 2, right? Once you save, write the watch list name, you can create it. Once you create it, TradingView tell you like what you have to add symbol. You can create a watch list now, right? By clicking the add symbol option, the TradingView will ask you how you can add, like what you have to add in this specific watch list, what assets you have to add. So let's say example, I'm working on international gold, BTC, USD. I am also working on this Nvidia. You can select any as per your requirement. So I am working on Euro USD, Tesla, SPX, and DXY index, sorry. So I'm working on these assets. So I have selected that assets. You can select any of the assets, whatever charts are available on TradingView. You can select any as per your requirement. So let's say I have selected these assets. Once I go back, you can see the back option in upper left corner. Once you click that, you will find the test 2 in upper right corner, test 2, and below are the assets which I have selected, right? So by this you can create a new watch list. This is the new watch list, where you can find the new watch list which you have already saved. You can click on three parallel lines, you will find the new watch list named test 2, right? These are my watch list, test 1, test 2. So these are my watch list, right? So if you want to switch from one watch list to another, suppose I want to switch to one test 1, so I am just clicking on this test 1, it will switch to test 1 watch list. You can see the upper left corner, it's default selected test 1 watch list, right? So now if you want to add more symbols in this specific watch list, so you can find here below add symbol option. Once you click on add symbol, TradingView will again ask you what more you have to add. So you can suppose, let's say example, you want to add some of the stocks. Once you click on the stocks, suppose I want to add Apple and AMD, right? Suppose if you want to add forex pairs as well, you can just switch from here crypto as well, right? Here you can see crypto, I want to add Ethereum, right? Forex, if you want to add USD JPI, fine. So I have updated this watch list. Once you go back, you can see the updated watch list. Apple, AMD, Ethereum, and USD JPY are added on the watch list, new watch list. Okay, so now let's say example, if you want to remove the specific assets from your created watch list, how you can remove that, right? Once you click on specific symbol which you have to remove, so let's say example, I want to remove this Nifty 50 index. Once I press a click on the specific symbol, right? I will get this pop-up option. In that you can find below the remove delete option, right? Once you click on remove, the specific assets notification you will be getting. Do you want to remove specific asset from the watch list? Once you click on delete, it will automatically remove that symbol from the watch list. So guys, I hope everything is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, you will find my number in the description, right? And I do sell premium trading view indicators. If you want more information about that, you can WhatsApp me on my specific number, WhatsApp number. Okay, thanks for your time, and thank you. Thanks for your time.